My vegetable patch looked lifeless, with yellowing tomato leaves and tired soil. Usual remedies failed, and I was ready to give up on a decent harvest. Then, I remembered my grandfather using fireplace ash in his garden. I tried on one tomato plant, and within weeks, it thrived with rich green leaves. This simple gray powder, often discarded, was a powerful natural resource. That year, my tomato harvest was the best ever, thanks to this old wisdom. Sometimes, the best solutions are found in nature, not in store-bought products. In today's world, we're sold complex solutions for gardening. Yet ancient wisdom often holds the key to thriving gardens. Wood ash, a timeless soil amendment, returns essential nutrients to the earth. Before synthetic fertilizers, farmers instinctively used ash to enrich their fields. We've lost touch with these simple practices, opting for convenience. But ash is a potent, organic material that can revitalize your garden. Embracing natural methods makes you a more resourceful gardener. Your garden becomes an ecosystem, where one process fuels another. The wood that warmed your home can nourish your summer harvest. It's a powerful, cost-free concept that connects you to nature. Wood ash is the mineral residue left after burning wood. It contains potassium, crucial for plant health, and calcium for strong cell walls. These nutrients are vital for flowering and fruiting plants. Wood ash also raises soil pH, making nutrients more accessible. A light dusting can correct soil imbalances, unlocking its full potential. This natural potash is a balanced mineral supplement from nature. It's a simple way to enhance your garden's health and productivity. My tomatoes struggled in heavy, acidic soil. I tried my grandfather's ash trick on one plant. Within days, it transformed, with vibrant green leaves and new growth. The ash provided the missing nutrients, reviving the plant. I treated the rest, and soon, the entire patch flourished. That summer, I enjoyed a bountiful tomato harvest. It was a reminder of the soil's health directly impacting plant vitality. Simple, traditional amendments can be incredibly effective. Sometimes, the old ways are the best ways. Create a weed and ash tea for your plants. Use a bucket, water, wood ash, and garden weeds. Nettles, comfrey, and dandelions work well. Fill the bucket with weeds, add ash and water. Let it steep for weeks, stirring occasionally. Dilute the tea and water your plants with it. This homemade tonic promotes strong growth and abundant harvests. It's a sustainable way to recycle garden waste into plant food. Tomatoes love the nutrients in wood ash. When planting, add a small amount of ash to the hole. It provides a slow-release source of potassium and calcium. This strengthens cell walls and prevents blossom end rot. The roots absorb these nutrients, boosting plant health. It's a simple step that enhances your harvest's quality. A little ash goes a long way in supporting your plants. Work with nature to give your tomatoes the best start. Make a boiled ash tonic for a quick nutrient boost. Use a saucepan, wood ash, and water. Boil and simmer the mixture to extract minerals. Cool, strain, and dilute the tonic before use. Water plants needing a potassium boost like tomatoes and peppers. This concentrated feed addresses deficiencies rapidly. It's a powerful way to promote flowering and fruiting. A simple, effective solution for immediate plant needs. Use wood ash wisely. It's potent and requires care. Only use ash from clean, untreated wood. Avoid ash from treated or manufactured logs. Ash raises soil pH, so use it on acidic soils. Avoid acid-loving plants like blueberries and azaleas. Apply ash sparingly to prevent soil crusting. Store ash in a dry, secure container. Handle with care to avoid fire risks. This gardener's gold is valuable when used correctly. Wood ash is more than fire remains. It's a garden enhancer. We've explored methods to harness its power. Weed and ash tea, direct application, and boiled tonic are effective. These techniques embrace nature's cycle of growth and giving back. Healthy soil supports a thriving ecosystem, reducing intervention. Your garden becomes resilient, handling pests and weather. This journey is just the beginning of natural gardening. Explore and experiment with nature's simple tricks. Rediscover the powerful secrets nature offers for your garden.